Police in St. James have increased their numbers in the busiest areas of the parish. The move, they say, is to protect the lives and assets of Jamaicans amid the usual threat posed by robbers and thieves at this time of the year. We'll have the details in this report.
Melissa has ruined Christmas for many residents in St. James, but some persons are still trying to find a chair and have taken to the streets to shop and engage in other commercial activities. That has led to additional congestion, especially in the capital Montego Bay. We observed the lines of traffic around Sam Sharp Square, Barnett Street, and other popular areas in downtown.
We believe that the work that has been done before, along with the additional police officers that will be deployed in this space, that will allow us to ensure the safety and security of persons. So we will be ensuring the high visibility of the police officers within the space. We'll have our quick response team moving around, and we'll be out there as scene officers providing leadership for especially Grand Market Night.
Christmas this year will be nearly 2 months to the day since Hurricane Melissa ripped through Jamaica, including parts of St. James. But visitors are still flooding to the tourism-dependent parish. The police are aware of the situation and are responding.
Based on my last check, last week Saturday, there was over 52 flights coming into the airport. So on a day-to-day basis, that will gradually increase. So we know that especially at the airport and other areas, persons coming in to go right across St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Hanover, Trelawney, everywhere, St. James here, we'll see that increase in visitor arrival, which will also increase the traffic on the roads. So we are cognizant of that, and we want to ask persons to work with the instructions of the police.
But while the police have bolstered their numbers and will be at the major intersections helping with traffic flow, some of the issues they have no control over and want other arms of the state to step in.
There are some areas that we have some concerns about in regards to the potholes that sometimes slow down the traffic. We are engaging the NAA and other agencies, the municipal corporation, to have those potholes filled so that we can have the free movement of the traffic. Our St. James traffic team, they are an exceptional bunch, and they have been trying their best to keep the traffic moving.